Hello YouTube family, it's Jasenia again and I'm back with another video. This time around is to show you how to make chicken cordon bleu, and it's so easy actually to make. All you're going to need for this recipe is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of the following: onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and salt. And that's exactly what's going to get incorporated into the flour to give this a lot of flavor. But of course it is optional to sprinkle on all of these seasonings on top of your chicken prior to filling them. You're also going to need mozzarella cheese. I used shredded here, but you're more than welcome to use the sliced kind. You're also going to need breadcrumbs, and I just purchased La Mexicana brand. And you're also going to need 3 chicken breasts. Now I did not have a meat tenderizer, so I used my rolling pin to sort of beat down the chicken to get it to extend for me just a little bit. I did go ahead and of course cut it in half prior to beating that with the rolling pin. And as you can see, I grabbed a slice of Barres ham, folded it in half, and then set it inside, like in the middle of the chicken breast, along with a handful of mozzarella cheese. Once I did that, I rolled up the chicken breast and I wrapped it in cling wrap, as you can see here, but also set it in the freezer for 40 minutes to sort of firm up for me. However, you don't have to. If you are needing to make dinner as soon as possible, you're more than welcome to just put toothpicks in it, or maybe a kebab stick to keep it in place. But just be sure to remove them once you fry. Don't forget. What you want to do first is coat the chicken breast very well in flour mixed in with the seasonings, and of course just set it in the egg. And this is just 1 egg that I used and scrambled, so coat that very well. And then you'll finish this off in your breadcrumbs. Just roll it all around, get that everywhere over the chicken breast. And you do want to set your pan to medium-high heat with sufficient oil, just halfway. And then you'll definitely want to fry your chicken breast until golden brown and cooked thoroughly. So your chicken breast should look something like this. You can certainly just fold them back in half and seal them like that. That is also a technique you can use, but go ahead and plop in your chicken breast once your oil is hot enough, and go ahead and just turn it once one side is cooked thoroughly. You don't want to pour oil over the uncooked side because some of the breadcrumbs will slide down. So just give it a flip and then cover to allow to continue to cook thoroughly. And once your chicken breasts look something like this, go ahead and remove them and set them aside once they have cooked. You can definitely pair these chicken cordon bleus with mashed potatoes, green bean casserole, but we do eat this with pasta and mashed potatoes. A loaded baked potato, anything you want. You can be as creative as you want with this, but I do hope that you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our growing YouTube family, and if you try this recipe, tag me on any of my social media accounts, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.